Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jingstad talai jong ki seng san Hima sima banyo iki Paidbah ki balong ki nong thevun kalayai beteng na ka wei ka sngi sha ka wei ban pen khlan ya la ka jong ka seng da ka jingthmu banyo ban khor ya ka jingjam ha ka ne ke election jong snem 8000 ar phulai kani ka pawru ha ka lai phau tarik banai nai lor 8000 ar phawar ha ka bade ki spa ngut ki nong kershan bat ki nong kit kam na ki wei ki seng san Hima kom na ka Congress HSPDP PDF kilalet bandrung sha ka seng NPP kabala penlong ru ha ka jingalang jong kani ka seng ha mau en ha ka ba u Conrad ki sangma kom unong ya lamba khli do ke NPP harangkat ka jingdon lang ru UMLA ka motion run uba jigor merthong UMLA ka nongstein ba max melan bersan UMDC karambrai uba bajap pingrum ulayo ban pedang buram bat penkopru ya kalama jong ka seng NPP Conrad ke sangma kum unong ya lamba khli ka seng NPP ha ka ju ka por kum menteri rangba ka jella ba Bynta ha bakren ha ka jingalang pedang buram ke NPP motion run ya kite ki spangut ki Paidbah nong kershan ulaong baki Paidbah kiladu Jingstad ya yiki wei pat ke seng san perthei ha ka jella bat ki babun hi kilawan ban penyaso no sha ka seng NPP Shushu ulaong ru ba ke NPP kan wan biang ha ka bor hau 8000 ar phulai bat kan sayo ban sen shar marwei hapo ka jella namar kata ka Shong saha ka Jingstad jong ki Paidbah jong ka than mau et bat mau shenrun hatu ki Kwah ban Ïadon Bynta lang ha ka Sorkar ni ki Kwah ban Shong ha ka Liang Pyrshah ha ka bakin sadu ru ya ki babun ki kampen roy.
We saw hundreds of supporters from the HSPDP, hundreds of supporters from the Congress who have today decided to support Bajigur Mothong and the National People's Party. And because people are losing faith in other political parties, you are seeing many sitting MLAs are leaving their original parties. We are seeing this happen even in the HSPDP and other political parties also. And hence it speaks volumes of the faith and the trust that people have on the National People's Party. And hence, I would like to share with you that coming 2023 election, you have to only keep one thing in mind. And that important thing is that the National People's Party will be forming the government again. We will be getting a single majority in 2023. And the people of Mowat area and the people of Motional constituency will have to decide whether you would like to be part of the government and continue to see the development that this NPP government has given you in the past 4.5 years. Or would you like to be sitting in the opposition and not getting any development in the future? That in the last 45 years of statehood, West Khasi Hills district and Motional constituency and Mowat area have been one of the most neglected districts and areas in the entire state. Even before I took over as Chief Minister, I told the people of the state that given an opportunity, we will do our best to ensure that West Khasi Hills and the people residing here should also get the development that other parts of the state are getting. All the people of West Khasi Hills district, especially the people of Mowat area, under Marshall constituency that this election is a very, very important election for this constituency. Because if you choose the National People's Party, if you choose Bajigur, then you are choosing the development that we have given in the last 4.5 years, and you're deciding that that development must continue.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.